How to mask video in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get into it. Start by coming down to the Color tab. Then click into the Window button. Next, choose an appropriate mask for your video. You can use the pen tool to get super refined. I'm going to mask out the alloy in this video, so I'm going to click Circle. Next, click and drag the mask over the area, and then you can use the handles of the mask to get it perfect around your area. I'm going to leave mine like that for this demo. Next, come into the Tracker window. If you're using DaVinci Resolve Studio, here you can just click this play button and it will automatically track the mask to the motion in your video. If you're using the free version of DaVinci Resolve, you're going to have to click into Frame, then click into this little keyframe button to create an initial keyframe, and then move your playhead through your video and move the mask to match the motion in your video. As we can see here, it's already automatically adding keyframes as we move it. You shouldn't have to do it every single frame. It completely depends on your preference. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to leave mine as that. Next, we need to come up into our nodes. If you don't see nodes, just click in the top here and then it will open. Next, right click this blank space and then select Add Alpha Output. This is going to add this output here. Then click on the blue square of your node and drag it to the output that we've just created. This is essentially going to create our mask. To refine this mask further, we can then come back into the window. And here you can either choose to invert your mask if you want it to mask out that area, or keep it as it was. You can also soften the edges of your mask so it's not so harsh, or you can make it harsh if that's what you're going for. Now when we come to play this video back, we'll be able to see that we've created that mask, and that's all there is to it.